Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics. If you guys are interested in to buy official Trump coin, I'll show you how to buy it. So you can see that Trump coin is listed on a lot of exchanges, but I suggest you to use BitGet for the several reasons. First of all, there are lowest fees. You can deposit money on BitGet with the lowest commissions, and also you don't need to pay any gas fees when you are buying the cryptocurrency. And of course, guys, if you use my affiliate link, which is in the description, you will get $10 trading bonus if you trade more than $50. So first of all, sign up using the link in the description, and once you will create an account, go through KYC. This will take maximum 2 minutes, guys, and once you are done, then you need to deposit money on BitGet. How to deposit? You need to hover over buy crypto in the top menu, and you can use several options, but I suggest you to use credit or debit card right here. Then you need to enter the amount of for example, USD you're going to pay. Minimum is $15, and here is the amount of USDT you will receive. Just click buy USDT, finalize the transaction, and once you will have USDT on your balance, then you can buy Trump official coin. How to buy it? You need to hover over the trade in the top menu, and in the search you need to search for Trump. Here is Trump/USDT. You need to go right side here, and you need to enter the amount of USDT you're going to pay. So this is just an example, guys. So you need to click buy Trump, click confirm, and then you can check your balance. So how to check your balance? You need to go to the wallet in the top right side and go to your assets. Right here you can go to the spot account, and in the spot account you will see your balance. So this is my Trump coin balance, as you can see, and that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.